Hey everyone, I'm Stacie Koroly.
And Lisa Fusco.
And today we're going to talk to you about the top 4 nastiest things that are lurking in your house that you may not even realize. But we're going to show you how to get rid of that nastiness. Lisa, why don't you tell us the first 2?
So the first one is lurking right under your nose every day in your sink, and that is your dish sponges. We have a tendency to overlook the fact that these are probably one of the nastiest things in your home. And in our quest to get clean dishes, a lot of times we're spreading nastiness all over them. These should be swapped out every 3 weeks or so. If you're eating a lot of takeout, you could probably stretch the life of these a little bit longer, pop them in your dishwasher to give them a good clean. But take a look at these because they're often overlooked and they are very nasty.
Yes. Number 2.
Number 2, high contact surfaces, door handles, cabinet handles, my personal favorite, and I say that with a lot of sarcasm, is the refrigerator handle. My kids can attest to the fact that I scream about this almost daily. I don't know about you, but I oftentimes am grabbing for that handle and it is covered in food, something dried, sticky.
Who knows?
Not really sure how the food inside the refrigerator is finding its way onto the handle, but that's something that you should be looking out for and giving a good wipe down every day to keep that clean and get rid of the nastiness.
Absolutely. Now, number 3 is something that you use several times a day, if not most of the day, your cell phone. This is covered with more germs than probably any surface in your house. And what you want to do is wipe it down 4 to 6 times a day. So use a paper towel with, even if you just use water, that's gonna help. They also now sell, which I think is hilarious, they sell special wipes just for phone screens, nothing else. So don't waste your money on that. Just use a good old-fashioned paper towel and some water and vinegar and you're good to go. Now, number 4 is something that I have learned about recently, I am embarrassed to say. And it sounds like it looks, which is toilet plume. Plume, P-L-U-M-E. Google it. It's gonna be mind-blowing. It's gonna be a game changer for you.
You won't be able to unsee it or unhear it.
And what it is basically is, once someone uses the restroom, you put the lid down. Because if you don't, this is what happens. A fine mist, yes, a mist, of whatever's in that toilet bowl will spread 12 to 15 feet all over your bathroom, your toothbrush, your sink, your tub, your floor, your toilet paper, everywhere. So people, please watch the Plume video. Don't be like me and go the rest of your life without not knowing about this. I would say that is like, it's amazing. Toilet Plume. That is number 4. So we want to thank you for watching and learning about the 4 nastiest things that lurk in your house.
Happy cleaning.